Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem Tankless Water Code 29 Condensate Trap Error Solution. Fix 1 is reset the water heater. Turn off all water faucets, then press the power button to turn off the water heater. Then wait about 5 minutes. Turn the heater back on, then open a hot water faucet and check if code 29 is gone. Second one is clean the air intake filter. Turn off the heater, then remove the air intake filter, then wash away dirt and debris. Then let it dry completely. Reinstall the filter and restart the unit. Third one is clean the condensate trap. Turn off the power to the hot water heater, then locate the condensate trap near the bottom of the unit. Then remove the drain plug if your model allows it. Then drain the water and remove any dirt or sludge. Then reinstall the plug and restore power. Fourth one is clear the condensate drain line. Inspect the drain hose for clogs, then remove any dirt, slime or debris. Then straighten any kinks in the hose. Then make sure the drain line slopes downward and isn't frozen. Then reconnect the hose securely and test the heater. Fifth one is check the condensate outlet. Inspect the condensate outlet for debris, then remove any blockage carefully. Restart the heater and check for the error again. Thanks for watching.